Happy Halloween! Wait, what day is it?
It's not Halloween yet. It's the 14th.
14th. We missed Oktoberfest. I'm Lost Please Help was like, can you do an Oktoberfest video? I'm like, yeah, we can do it. Now we're late. We gotta do it. We gotta do it anyway. Oh, we can't let her down. We have to do this. Alright, so... What's up, my little schnitzels, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are celebrating Oktoberfest by making a beer cheese dip. PROST! Oktoberfest 2018. Let's do this, hang out for a little bit, let's knock it out, and then we'll go on with Halloween, huh? This episode's not gonna be more than like 12 seconds long, right?
I would like to watch Hocus Pocus now.
And then, yeah, let's watch Hocus Pocus. Let's make this thing! Got this recipe from Taste of Home. Shout out to them. So for beer cheese dip, you're gonna need cheese. All right, we got a pound of like sharp cheddar. We're just gonna cut that up really quick. Just cut this guy up into 1/2-inch cubes, huh? Oh, you just locked on. It's freaking locked. There we go. Let's throw these in the food processor. Lids on. We're gonna pulse this into fine bits. It's gonna take about a minute. All right, check this out. Looks perfect. To this, let's add a clove of minced garlic, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, teaspoon and a half of mustard. We're using Dijon, teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And last ingredient, of course, some beer. We're gonna add about 2/3 of a cup. Whoa, whoa. So here we go. Just add a little bit. Add some more of our beer here. That smells good, you smell it? Third and last round of beer adding. That's 2/3 of a cup. All right, we're gonna pulse this for about 30 more seconds. Why do I say pulse it? We're just gonna turn it on. Woo, look at that. Look how it just smoothed out right now. Look at that. Look at this unprocessed piece of cheese here. Amateur. Done. Ooh, check that out. Look how velvety that is. All right, let's throw this in a bowl. And we got beer cheese. Throw that down with some assortments. You can even do veggies if you're into that sort of thing. And we got beer cheese. Beer cheese spread. Yum. Perfect for celebrating Oktoberfest 2018 or Novemberfest beer cheese spread. Beer cheese spread.
Cheesy.
To be or not to be? Shakespeare. Shakespeare cheese spread. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to hang out, subscribe to the channel. Let's make some stuff. Novemberfest. Halloween episode's coming up. Thank you.